Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to do to bring in more success and align with more success in your business. And the Eight of Wands came through, and the message here is be very clear on what you are creating in your business, right? Get clarity around, what is it that you want your business to look like? How many hours a week do you want to work? How much money do you want to bring? What products do you want to sell? Get really, really, really clear on what it is that you're creating so you can send a direct, order into the universe. So the universe is clear on what you are creating, right? Because here, the boy is throwing the arrow. To me, it's like throwing the arrow at the bullseye of a dartboard. It's throwing it into the future, right? For you to create it and then come into alignment with it, right? So what seeds are you planting? So get really clear. What does this business look like? What does it feel like? What is a day in the life of your business? What are you doing? Who are you talking to? How many clients do you have? What products are you selling? Get really clear, a lot of clarity, right? Because then you are really putting out that direct order to the universe. Therefore, the universe can deliver to you. Let me know if this resonates, and let me know, what is your vision? What do you want to create in your business? Let me know in the comments. If you've liked this reading, make sure you like it. Subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification because then you're notified of the upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.